Hey Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and North Node. I hope you guys are doing good today. I'm here with Spirit and we have a video message here for Capricorn placements. If you're new to my channel and you would like to subscribe, please do. If this video resonates with you, please hit the like button for me. Remember, cross watchers are welcome. Roles can be reversed, so switch it and reverse it if you need to. All right, Spirit, let's get busy here. Messages for Capricorn placements, please. Messages for Capricorn placements, please. All right, let's get started here for Capricorn. Messages for Capricorn, please. Okay, so we have unknown caller coming out here. It says stalking, hanging up, unknown numbers. So Taurus and Libra got that card as well. So you could have those placements or be dealing with those signs. What else for Capricorn, please? Messages for Capricorn. Messages for Capricorn, please. Whoa. Okay, so we have broken mirrors coming out here. We have addictions, roller coaster, toxic connection, spiritual attack, karma, divine intervention, facing their demons. And we have make it rain. All right, it says manifesting abundance, legal matters in your favor, unexpected money, promotion, entrepreneurship. All right, so at the bottom of the deck, we have Netflix and chill. So it says sneaking around, friends with benefits, spending time with someone else. All right, Capricorn. Let's see. Okay, so an unknown caller here, calling you from unknown numbers, stalking you, whatever. Okay, so an unknown caller here. Okay. All right, Spirit, let's clarify unknown caller here for Capricorn, please. Unknown caller for Capricorn placements. Okay. It definitely could be somebody that's wanting to reconcile here with you. It could be a Cancer here, okay? Somebody who wants to date you. Somebody who wants to see who you're out dating or who you're hanging out with as well. What is unknown caller? 3 of Cups for Capricorn, please. Okay, so let me see what this is. What is 7 of Cups reverse? We have Scorpio, Venus. Weird. Okay, so this is somebody who's like sneaking around doing this, okay? Sneaking around, watching you. It's possible you guys are moving in silence at this time, so that's why they're doing it. Maybe you're keeping your plans silent, whatever. We have Aquarius moon here. What is this 7 of Swords hanging up? 7 of Swords for Capricorn. What is 7 of Swords, 9 of Swords? We have Gemini. Okay, so this could be somebody who moved on from you, Capricorn, or you moved on from them. Yeah, definitely it could be your ex doing this. Somebody you walked away from, or they walked away from you, or somebody that feels rejected by you, ignored by you. Show me the 3 of Cups, 7 of Swords. Yeah, it's definitely somebody here in regret. Okay, somebody feeling like you're the one that got away. We have Scorpio here. Show me unknown caller for... Wow. We have Sagittarius moon here as well. Yeah, they're definitely wanting to talk to you here. But they hide doing this with a Hermit. Could be a Virgo. What's a 9 of Wands though? Yeah, it could definitely be somebody as well, Capricorn, that has a chip on their shoulder when it comes to you. We have Gemini Sun here. Yeah, they're definitely wanting to talk to you, but why are they watching, Capricorn? Stalking. Yeah, because you had an ending with this person. Something ended here. Yeah, it could have been a love connection ended here. You could have moved on from this person. Could be a Libra. So definitely they could see if you're in another relationship here or just what you're doing. Definitely somebody here who has love and emotions here for you still with the Queen of Cups. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Yeah, they're feeling trapped in their head or stuck here with you. This is Capricorn energy. Capricorn energy, feeling stuck, trapped. What are they feeling stuck and trapped? I know it's Capricorn, but what? Eight of Swords. Okay, yeah, because possibly you're not talking to them or speaking to them or communicating with this person. There's no communication with this person at this time. Yeah, could definitely be somebody you walked away from or they walked away from you. Okay. I don't know. That's always weird to me. I don't know. Unknown numbers here. Okay. Anyway, so we have broken mirror here, Capricorn. Addictions, roller coaster, toxic connection. So let's see. What is broken mirrors for Capricorn, please? Okay. So definitely there's something that's disharmony here, out of balance, right? Something that's not balanced. There's disharmony here. It could also be like trying to mix oil and water. Okay, not being on the same page. Something's not balanced. A lot of disharmony. Could be Sagittarius here. What is broken mirrors? Temperance reversed. Right. So whatever this situation is, addictions, roller coaster, whatever, toxic connections. There could be alcohol addictions here. Somebody goes to extremes, right? They do not do anything in moderation or in balance or in balance. Something very imbalanced here. We have Libra. What's broken mirrors and temperance? Three of Swords. Okay, and then we have Capricorn. What is Three of Pentacles? Yeah. So setbacks and delays here. So if you're dealing with a toxic connection here, it may be time to cut this person off, Capricorn. We have Taurus here, Sagittarius. Addictions could be causing an imbalance here, causing heartbreak, relationship obstacles as well. Take it how it resonates with your story, all right? This is also could be affecting your business, your money, and your finances as well. Show me broken mirrors, addictions, roller coaster, toxic connection for Capricorn. It could also be causing health problems, okay? Health issues or mental health. Somebody definitely needs to go to AA here or seek help seek therapy, seek recovery. With the Four of Swords, Alcohol Anonymous, or something like that. Show me Four of Swords, Libra. Yeah. It's definitely could be time here, Capricorn, if you're dealing with a situation like this, to leave this in the past, okay? Somebody's addictions. Yeah. Show me this again, broken mirrors here for Capricorn. For some of you, it could be sex addictions, I'm hearing. Show me this, broken mirrors, addictions, roller coaster, toxic connection. Yeah, it's time to come out of conflict here. And I know that's easier said than done, especially if you're dealing with addictions, okay? So I understand that. But, you know, this is the message. If you're dealing with this, it is affecting most likely your finances, your business, your abundance, your prosperity, okay? It's also causing relationship obstacles and blockages here as well. Show me again this addictions. Could be Leo. Yeah. Like it could definitely be affecting your abundance, your prosperity, okay? Your health. All right. Well, I'm not going to, yeah. And like I said, for some, there's sex addictions here, okay? So, but like I said, if you are dealing with somebody that's toxic, it is going to affect your health. It's going to affect your finances. It's going to affect your money, period, okay? So, but it's your decision, right? I'm not here to tell you what to do. If you're dealing with addictions, Spirit is saying you're strong enough to face it, okay? If you're the one dealing with addictions, you're strong enough. You're being given divine strength to be able to face this, okay? To overcome it. Like I said, I understand that, okay? So let's just move on here. So we have spiritual attacks, karma, divine intervention. You could the divine could be intervening, Capricorn, right now in toxic connections, people who have addictions, sex addictions, whatever, people who are going to take you on a roller coaster ride in love, right? That's what the divine is trying to intervene here for you. What is karma, spiritual attack for Capricorn? Okay. What is spiritual attack for Capricorn? Okay, we have Taurus here and Gemini. So definitely I feel like the divine is intervening in between any toxic connections, okay, Capricorn. To move you towards your true counterpart, your divine masculine or divine feminine. Yeah, your divine love connection. Your true counterpart here. What is spiritual attack? Okay, Capricorn here. Right, definitely the divine is protecting you right now. What is karma, divine intervention for Pentacles for Capricorn? Yeah. So anybody here who's been hateful, abusive, playing mind games, right? This jealous, envious energy here. It's time to face their demons here, and they're getting karma. All right, show me this Five of Swords. Somebody here with this energy is really holding on to some kind of jealous, envious energy, some kind of hateful energy. Right, so Divine is calling judgment. The Divine is calling judgment. Yeah. What is spiritual attack? Judgment. Yeah. Somebody's definitely getting bad karma here. With Justice in reverse. With Scorpio and Libra. Somebody's definitely... somebody that, like I said, this is somebody like a snake in the grass here. You know, a hidden enemy. Somebody who plays mind games. Abusive. Wanting to win at all costs when it comes to you. It could even be around your finances, your money, Capricorn. Your security, your stability. They could have tried to win it, because this is your energy. They could have tried to win at all costs when it came to you, or your money, your finances, your security, your stability, your foundation, whatever. So we have judgment and justice reversed here. So divine judgment coming in. Somebody getting their bad karma. Somebody has been unfair to you or unjust here to you. Yeah, and your good karma is you're going to start financially recovering here and going towards better health. It could definitely be somebody here, Capricorn, that kept you on a roller coaster ride, going round and around, right? Kept you in a toxic connection. Well, I mean, they didn't keep you because, you know, you made your own choices, you made your own decisions, but somebody who just wanted to win at all costs and didn't care, you know. What is judgment? Justice reversed for Capricorn. Yeah. It definitely could be a whole group of people that did this, Capricorn. It could be a Leo. Somebody did it for their own gain here. What is Six of Wands? Yeah. Could have been family as well, Capricorn, okay? Or somebody you had a family with. A family member as well. It could have been a whole community here or part of a community in your hometown. It definitely could have been in your family here. What's the Ten of Cups reversed with Pisces? Ten of Cups reversed for Capricorn. What is this, Spirit? Okay, so definitely you're going to be coming out here of restrictions, Capricorn. What's on the horizon here is you releasing, okay? Coming out of restrictions. I also have Scorpio and Leo here, okay? So, but whatever. It's whoever's in this nasty energy that was nasty here towards you, Capricorn, okay? Yeah. So your good karma coming in here is you're going to be releasing self-limiting beliefs, whatever, releasing what you need to, releasing what's no longer serving you here, and stepping into your Nine of Pentacles energy. Improvements in your finances getting ready to glow up here. Okay. Show me again, spiritual attack. Yeah. Somebody definitely tried to cause chaos here. for Capricorn, try to cause you to come out of balance here. What time is it? Okay, so let's move on to make it rain. Okay, so it says manifesting abundance, legal matters going in your favor. Okay, so legal matters are going in your favor, whilst legal matters are not going in someone else's favor here. Okay, so we have unexpected money coming in, promotion, entrepreneurship. So let's clarify make it rain for Capricorn. Wow. Yeah, something's like definitely going to come in shockingly and unexpected. Like you won't be expecting whatever this is. It may shock you with the Tower here. It may shock you that a legal matter goes in your favor, or a promotion may shock you. Whatever it is, it's coming in very quickly, suddenly, and it brings in sudden changes into your life. What does make it rain? The Tower. Right. So I feel like your strength is being rewarded. Okay. Make it rain. Some of you guys, it's also because you, Spirit is telling me that because you had grace and compassion with others when they were trying to be in this energy, right? You still had compassion for others. And that's why you're getting, your strength's being rewarded here, okay? Show me make it rain. Yeah, definitely something big coming in here for you, Capricorn, with the World card. Okay? Definitely something could have happened here with a Leo, Aquarius, Scorpio, Taurus. You could have a legal issue or legal matter with one of these signs. But this is success, okay, as well. Something big coming in. Doors opening up here to abundance here. Unexpected money, definitely. The Tower is unexpected. What else for make it rain? Yeah, I feel like you just had nasty energy, nasty people around you. Also, people, specifically a Leo placement here, doing spell work on your money, your finances, your abundance. But it could also be an Aries or Sagittarius. We have Mars and Aries here too. But it's all backfiring on this person as well. Yeah, it's all coming back to them. So whatever spell work, dark magic that they put on your finances, your money, whatever, trying to get a legal matter to go in their way, okay, your abundance, whatever, it's backfiring. It's coming back around to this person. Something's coming back full circle. Full circle moments. A full circle moment. Something's coming back full circle to this Queen of Wands in reversed. And it's going to backfire. What's the Queen of Wands in reversed for Capricorn? Yeah, definitely. They could have played like in your face like they loved you or had your best interests at heart. It could have been someone you were in a love connection with as well. What's the Queen of Wands reversed? Somebody's also going to be very jealous of whatever you get here. Unexpected money, manifesting abundance in, something going in your favor, a promotion. There's definitely going to be an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius here that's going to be very jealous if you get a promotion at your job. Yeah. You could have moved on from this person. That we also have Cancer. Yeah, they're going to be not happy. Especially if a legal matter goes in your favor. Especially if it has to do with children. Show me Make It Rain, Queen of Wands reversed for Capricorn, please. Make It Rain, Queen of Wands reversed for Capricorn. Definitely, you guys could be seeing 808 or 888. Yeah. Somebody tried to block you receiving this abundance or this going in your favor or this promotion with that spell work or dark magic. Yeah, they could have been hitting your career, your work. Show me one more on Make It Rain and we'll move on. Yeah, definitely you're going to get some kind of information, news coming in here about this, okay? We have Gemini here as well. Somebody's going to be watching you get it too. Show me the Page of Swords. Yeah. So now we have the King of Wands in reversed as well here. So there's a whole karmic couple here, Capricorn. Again, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. So if you're dealing with one of those signs in legal matters, so yeah, they're not going to be happy. Show me the King of Wands in reverse for Capricorn. Yeah. You could be moving on from this person. What's the King of Wands reversed? Yeah, I told you. They're not going to be happy. They're not going to be happy for you, whatever. There's a King of Wands in reversed here, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, also feeling rejected by you or ignored by you here. Definitely you're going to be getting something and they're not going to like it. What's this King of Wands in reverse for Capricorn? Yeah. All right, for some of you, though, it is a friend. This is a friend, okay? That's not going to really truly be happy. So you may need to keep this good news to yourself, okay? All right, so now we have Netflix and chill, okay? Show me what is sneaking around, friends with benefits, spending time with someone else. Okay, so it could be Aquarius. Or you cut somebody off that was doing this with the King of Swords. You already have mental clarity about this. What is Netflix and chill, King of Swords? Could also be a Virgo here doing this, trying to hide, doing this behind the scenes. So you could have friends with benefits with an Aquarius here or Virgo. Yeah, definitely could be a situationship or friends with benefits here. Show me sneaking around, Netflix and chilling. There's Capricorn. Sneaking around. Could be with the Sagittarius. Yeah. Show me sneaking around with someone else. Yeah, for a lot of you, this happened in the past here, okay, and you walked away from this person because you found out they were sneaking around, right? Behind your back. You walked away, right? You found out they were manipulating you, deceiving you. They could have been a narcissist here. We have Pisces. What's this sneaking around? Yeah, we have Pisces here. Sneaking around for Capricorn. Or this is you, Capricorn. Take it how it resonates, right? Yeah. Booty calls, whatever. Somebody here could have been an F-boy, F-girl, whatever. Show me Netflix and chill. We got Sag again. Yeah. And Virgo again here. What time is it? All right, Netflix and chill. For some of you guys, though, this person caught feelings. So if this is a friends with benefits, this person caught feelings. Could be an Aries. What's the Ace of Cups? Netflix and chill, Ace of Cups. Oh yeah, they definitely caught feelings. They caught feelings for a Capricorn here. We also have a Sagittarius, Capricorn cusper. So this friends with, if you're dealing with the friends with benefits situation right now, they're catching feelings. Or you are Capricorn. What is this? Ace of Cups, Queen of Pentacles. Yeah. Could be a Virgo. Somebody's catching feelings here and now wanting a long-term commitment. Somebody could have been in a long-term commitment. What is this? Netflix and chill, Ace of Cups. Yeah. They actually see you as a wish fulfillment. Or there's just a lot of pleasure here. Friends with benefits here again. They could feel like this is actually a deep love connection. Show me Netflix and chill, Ace of Cups for Capricorn. Yeah, I don't know. Aries, Venus, Netflix and chill, Ace of Cups. Yeah, I'm telling you, they caught feelings for you, Capricorn. So, or this is you. So if you're dealing with a friends with benefits situation, okay, a Netflix and chill situation, somebody's caught feelings. All right. Yep. And they're keeping them to themselves, keeping it quiet, maybe. Definitely. Show me the Devil and we'll end it out for Capricorn. Right. This person may feel powerless. Why? They may feel powerless because they don't know how it could work or if it would work. This person who caught feelings. They may feel like that it's something you wouldn't invest something long-term into. All right? I don't know. All right. So anyways, Capricorn, I hope you enjoyed this message. So you're making it rain here. Good stuff coming in financially. Okay, it's your good karma coming in. All right. I hope you enjoyed this message and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye.